Nob Hill. Those who appreciate the finer things in life, pay attention to detail, and demand the very best for their home choose the Nob Hill hanging lantern to light their outdoor spaces. It carries a distinctive upper crust attitude that clearly separates it from the ordinary. From its substantial construction to its hand-carved scrollwork, from the rich sienna finish to the stately finial, this exceptional light source speaks of high quality and good taste through and through. Clear and seedy glass encircles 3 pillar candles that cast a perfect glow and create a sense of warmth, safety, and home. Best of all, the superior craftsmanship defines both its exterior beauty as well as its inner strength. Maxim, the smart choice for beautiful, durable outdoor lighting.